You messed up all the yogurt? Oh. What are you eating, Sal? What you eating, Sully?
Pink syrup.
Oh boy, you have lots of maple syrup? You need some more?
Oh, what
You're all done. You gotta wash your hands off.
Okay.
Okay. Where you going? You gonna turn on the lights off? Sully, what you doing?
Washing my hands.
Alright. You got soap? Good boy, Sal. Sully, where's Pop? Sup?
Pop sleeping.
Is he? Okay. Are you sleeping?
No.
No?